son. Here is the white sportage with the red interior. Here is the park assist. See, no one's in there. I'll back it up. Pretty cool. No parallel park, backlight, all that cool stuff. Here's your red interior. Look at that pop. Super sharp. Black contrast. You got the full sunroof. Full panoramic nav. LCD. Power hatch. Cooled seats. Heated seats. All kinds of cool stuff in here. Smart lift gate. Get that to focus there. Man, it's cold out there. You guys got a tornado where you are too, or what? But yeah, really nice packaging. Super nice collar. Really comfortable. Got the heads-up display as well. See your speed on your windshield. This thing has everything. Upgraded sound system. Let me know if you guys want to come check it out, or if there's any more information I can get for you. Take care.